Okay, hello everybody on YouTube. This is a video to show you how to instantly stop hiccups. So like, instead, I've seen a lot of people when they're suffering with hiccups and they're going to doctors, to whatever, to try and stop them. It's unnecessary. There's a very old wives' tale and it's very simple to stop hiccups with a glass of water. So what I'm going to do is show you how to do it, okay? It's very easy. Well, at first it's quite tricky because you need both your hands. So I'm going to put the camera down and basically I'm going to show you what to do from there, okay? So, hopefully you can see me. I'm not too high up over here or whatever. Okay, so you need a cup like this, and you need water in it. So this one here, this is another one. This one's got water in, okay? So what I'm going to do is kneel down so you can see me. Hope the camera's not going everywhere. And I'm going to block my ears like this with my two thumbs. I'm going to get my thumbs, block my ears. These two index fingers are going to block my nose like this. So my ears and my nose are going to be blocked at the exact same time, okay? Like this, okay? Then you get the cup of water with these fingers like this, and you drink the water like this. And while you're doing it, you need to gulp. I haven't got hiccups, so obviously I'm not stopping my hiccups. I never suffer with them because I do this straight away if I ever get them. So you just, with all your hands, you hold the cup, your nose, you completely block your ears, completely block your nose. Hold the cup with your remaining 6 fingers here while you're doing this, like this, and you gulp it back, and then straight away your hiccups should stop because you've blocked your ears and you've completely blocked your nose, and at the same time you're swallowing the water, and all these pathways are connected, and it instantly stops hiccups. It instantly stops them. But I mean, you really have to go for it, and you gulp, 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 and swallow, swallow, swallow while blocking your ears and your nose. And if you have to, you can get somebody else to do this for you. Like, someone can hold your ears or your nose, and you can just drink the water and hold your head back, and it stops the hiccups straight away. So if you're suffering from hiccups, that's how you stop them. You block your nose, you block your ears, and at the same time you swallow the drink. And don't just take a mouthful, keep swallowing, 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 and then when you stop, hiccups stop too. No more hiccups, okay? And also another thing to remember, always, once you get used to it, you won't always need the water. You can do it with air. You can block your nose and your ears, and you can gulp on air. Just keep gulping, gulping, gulping on air, and it stops instantly, okay? So no more suffering from hiccups, okay? Just drink the water, block your ears, block your nose, make sure everything's blocked while you're swallowing, and that's the end of hiccups. No more hiccups, okay? So good luck, and leave a comment if you do have hiccups and you try this and it works, to let me know that it works. But I know it works, but you know, just to let me know it worked for you. So good luck, no more hiccups. Bye.